Presenting the new Sony Alpha ILCE 6400L 24.2 megapixel mirrorless camera in the color black. It has 180-degree tiltable touch LCD screen with high resolution, ISO sensitivity up to 1,02,400 and color reproduction capability. It also has 24.2 megapixel Exmor CMOS sensor with outstanding light sensitivity. It has world's fastest 0.02 second AF and speed contrast with 420, operating temperature 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 40 degrees centigrade. Performance features: fast hybrid autofocus allows for rapid, accurate subject tracking for great photographic experience. It allows connectivity via Wi-Fi, NFC, HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, real-time IAF and real-time tracking. It is durable for up to 200,000 shutter cycles and has HLG support for instant HDR50 lens. It comes with battery, NP-FW50, power cord, AC adapter, shoulder strap, lens cap, accessory shoe cap, eyepiece cup and micro USB cable inside the box. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
The one cool thing about being a creator and to work around technology is that you always get to learn and do new things. Life is full of surprises. Like this one. A6400 is something that Sony has been marketing and promoting as the next big vlogging camera. जो vlogging का workflow है, it's not a very huge workflow. You're talking to the camera yourself, you're holding the camera, आप खुद B-roll shoot करते हैं, for example, like this. So you're doing it by yourself. Many times में you need a camera that does a lot of your work. आप किसी भी subject के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, आप चाहेंगे कि वो चीज़ sharp हो. For example, इधर tap करके focus इधर कर दो, and I'm talking. You don't want to hear me out because I'm blurred. But the minute I'm in focus and I'm talking to you, you might want to hear me out. Sony A6400 talks about the real-time IAF. Basically what it does is it identifies my eye because that is one thing that is closest to my face and then tries to keep me focused. Moving है खासकर जैसे आप vlog कर रहे हैं, especially for video. My suggestion on how to use it is that you go into the autofocus mode and उसमें कई सारे options हैं. You should just try and keep it on the continuous autofocus mode because the camera is equipped right now to handle that. I can see the focus. Phenomenal, thumbs up for that, really cool. The second cool thing, the real-time tracking. अगर आप कोई sport shoot कर रहे हैं, कोई football player, someone's doing a dance move and you really want to track that one person, आप खुद bike पे हैं and you want someone to shoot that really seamlessly without any loss of focus. Sony A6400 has made life really easy for you. You'll have to go to the menu and select tracking, touch to track. You can track that and literally you can hold on to a subject and track it. The third one, an inbuilt intervalometer where you can choose कितने seconds के interval के बाद एक image clip होगी and then you can just stitch it either through the app or on your phone. It does not have a shooting limit. It rolls for as long as you want. The other cool thing is that you can actually make proxy videos. We sometimes need low resolution compressed proxy files to be edited, or you want to just post your Instagram stories and make a nice video and just give it out? Quite possible. You can use the same tracking feature or the eye autofocus feature on the burst mode. You can go into continuous shooting. So on a click, when you can click about 8 to 10 images or 11 images, and most of them end up sharp. Slow motion is pretty cool. It's you can shoot up to 100 FPS at 1080p. So I've done my bit by shooting a short sequence on the A6400. Right below, if you want to ask something about the camera.
People going about their everyday lives get overwhelmed looking at a large camera. A smaller camera that draws very little attention to itself makes a world of difference. The Sony APS-C mirrorless bodies and lenses with their compact form factor do just that without compromising on functionality. The large aperture helps shoot at faster shutter speeds even in lower light situations.
The 30mm macro lens adds such a unique perspective, offering not only a wider field of view with a habitat, but also a larger depth of field, helping me get more of my subjects in focus. It is important to me that these colors are as accurate as possible, and the A6600 delivered that for me.
Pictures really have the power to transport you to a whole different time. With the 11mm f1.8 lens, I was able to shoot the unique architecture of the city in sharp details. And with the 50mm f1.8, beautiful portraits of the faces around me with that creamy bokeh. The 24-megapixel RAW files not only look great on the screen while processing, but also in print. The versatility of the ZV-E10 helps me document the life and emotions around me through images and videos.
The 10 to 20mm lens not only helped me capture magical landscapes, but also portraits of life moving through that scene. From rich features, connected technology, great dynamic range, surprising low-light performance for its size, the A6400 really helped me document my travels and capture all those unique scenes that I witnessed in stunning detail.